Quick review on the Wyze Cam 1080p HD indoor wireless smart home camera with night vision. It is currently $25.98 on Amazon. If you would like to pick one up, go ahead and use the link in the description. That would help me out. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Wyze camera. The 1080p Wi-Fi camera that has night vision that's available on Amazon. Has two-way audio and works with Amazon Alexa. Currently, right now, it is $25.98 on Amazon. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and see what you get. Quick start guide. Pretty simple. The power adapter and a flat micro USB cable. It's like an adhesive strip for the mount. Got a metal piece. And the actual power adapter itself. The camera, protective coating on there. Got a USB port on the back and a micro USB port and the reset switch. Looks like this mount moves, which allows you to position it at different angles. It spins. Step 1 says download the Wyze app and create an account. Step 2, connect the camera to a power outlet and wait for 20 seconds until the yellow light flashes. Step 3, press the setup button for 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt. And step 4, follow the Wyze app to finish setup. So I've already plugged in the camera and the yellow light's flashing on the back. See it flashing. Now you press the button and hold it until it says the voice prompt.
Ready to connect.
It says it's ready. Put an add camera on your phone. Wyze Cam. It says the same thing, and it just says basically press this button when you hear ready to connect. Put in your Wi-Fi name and password. This is already in there because I reset it and I'm doing it again. And then it gives you a QR code that the camera scans by facing it. And the phone just says connecting.
Setup completed.
You name the camera. And it asks to do a firmware update. First thing, I'm going to cancel that for now. But there you go. Wyze Cam set up, working that easily. We'll go over some use in another portion of this video later, but that was pretty simple.